Hello, dear audiences. Now today is the 14th of May in 2026. There is a holding international event at Bilgi University. Now we are as Azim Consulting, as a guest, we come here in order to enjoy with the students. Please, could you introduce yourself? What is your name? Which country you are from?
Hello, my name is Jude. I'm from Sudan. And today is the very awaited International Day. I'm excited.
Could you say something about Sudan? What's the most specialty in Sudan?
Sudan is very culture rich. There are many ethnicities in Sudan. Like a lot of history, the Kingdom of Kush, the Nile River, and communities. There are many communities to be celebrated in Sudan. There are many things that we brought into.
Special things to show us?
Well, not much. I mean,
For example, I have interest in this thing. What does it mean? Can you explain this one? I'm really interested. What we should do?
this is a horn, and they start like taking it off the animal, and they repair it a little bit. They sand it and stuff, and then they turn it into a form of decoration.
It's very interesting thing, very special thing. As I know, as I see, here
This is like Sudanese jewelry for weddings and stuff. Like usually people wear for weddings. This is a very simple form.
this is not usual, yes? This is not a casual form. It's a special days form.
This, and there's another headpiece someone was wearing, but I can't wear it with my hair right now. And this is a regular thobe, like this is the average thobe. There are many different types of thobes for different cultures as well, like in Sudan. There's the Nuba, there's the Nubia, there's there are many here. There are so many. Like we have like over 500 ethnicities in both Sudans.
I like your costume. It's very beautiful. It's very
Thank you so
nice.
much.
Thank you so much that you give some interview. We invite you to Turkmenistan. There is a Turkmenistan.
Oh, I'll come visit definitely.
We are waiting you, okay?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Much.
Thank you for hearing us. Thank you for Azim Consulting.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Azim Consulting.